This one right here is a solar street light, and you know what? It's one with motion sensor, and it's got the TW series, whatever that is. This is dusk till dawn. It's solar powered, weather resistant, and it's got a motion sensor on it. It's got the, you know, a little bit of info over there. I did open it up and take it out of the box here. And let's see what we get with this thing. I did open it from the bottom by accident. Open it up, you get a little bit of, you get a remote. There's a remote right there, some hardware. But what I like to do is use lag bolts and screw it into a tree. This is the pole, so that's the pole. Oh, I like how they added the reinforcement. My other one didn't have a reinforcement there. It's like these guys knew where the failure point was. It's right there. And a little bit of info on it. There's the other bracket. Now this is made so it would go around the pole, is what you would mount that for. But right now, all I need it for is this right here. And then the unit itself. This thing looks really good. Taking it out of the package here, open it up. I think that's all we get in here. So let's check this out. They have a film on it. Sometimes they have this film on the top, but you can see the solar panel there. Does it have any specs on it right here? Let's see if we got some specs in this user manual. Well, it's IP66 rating, which is always good, so that means it's waterproof. The CCC temperature is 6,500 to 7,000 kelvins, and the 25,000 hours of use, because it's only running at night, so you know what, however long your nighttime is. Ambient temperature, working humidity, ABS on the outside. It doesn't give me like a Lumens or anything like that. I don't see it in the manual here. Actual remote, the remote's pretty simple. You get some hourly ratings, some motion sensor and all that. 240-degree angle, and you could see 18 to 25 foot illumination. So 3,600 square foot of illumination around. You can have 30% brightness. So what this is, you can actually set this so the brightness can be full brightness, 100 or 30. So it could just stay on like low and not have to come on, or it just pops on when someone walks up. AAA batteries there. You could see, let it run all night. So right now I'm going to let this thing charge. Actually, let's go ahead and install this thing. We got a little bit of sunshine left today. I'll let this thing charge, then we'll click over and show you what it looks like at night. Okay, I just went ahead and installed these 4 bolts. That was super simple, everybody. You just lay the pole down, put the 2 there, put the 2 there. Be careful not to over tighten them. I used my drill there, but you could use a small wrench. Pretty simple to do. And you could see right here, it is already getting charged. Look how it's going up. Look how I turned it over. I can see it. It's already light. How about that? So what I'm going to do, take it around back, install it on this tree back here that I have, let this thing charge overnight, then we'll come see what it looks like during the nighttime. So I didn't need this stuff right here. This would go, if you're putting it on a board or a pole or something like that, you would use that. If you're going to screw it into the side of your house, everything you need is right here in this little pad right here. Here's the wrench that goes to it, and there's the bolts that go into that. So let's install it on the tree now. Okay, there it is, everybody. I just installed it on this tree right here, and you can see what I did. I used 3-inch lag bolts. I think those are 4-inch lag bolts. Went straight into the tree right here, and then it just goes out like there. You can see it is charging. The sun goes from over there and it runs all the way across to over there. So this thing gets maximum sunshine. So let me go ahead, wait till some nighttime. I'll click over nighttime and we'll see how much of this area this thing actually lights up. So let's click over some night now. Okay, here we are, everybody. It's nighttime now. Check it out. It just came on. You can see that. So this is motion sensor, and what I do, I have this little walkway set up. So if somebody's walking behind my building, it will come on. So I'm all the way back probably 40 feet and it comes on. So what this thing likes to do, it goes down to 30% power, and then when you walk up to it, it goes to 100%. It stays like that for a while. So here's the remote. So you can go right here, see how I mash the button? That's the different type of mode. So if I want to have it on like a low mode, check it out. See that? A higher, but me, I want it on 100% right there. You have an off. Watch this. That's what I like. The fact that I have a street light that I can turn on and off is awesome. Turn it back on, hit the on button, and then it looks like you have a 2-hour, a 3-hour, a 5-hour, and an 8-hour. See that? has motion sensor. This is one of the better lights. This is something I recommend for anybody that just has an outdoor area that they just want to light up like I do. This has been really dark behind my shed, and I have my bikes and my boats and stuff back here. But I like the fact that now I can see when the light, if somebody walks back here, I see it come on. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the pole mounted street light, solar powered street light. See you all in the next video.